Hey everyone, today we're looking at the on-screen control application from LG. This is a great little application if you own an LG ultra-wide monitor. It allows you to manage either a single or multiple monitors. It has a few features including screen split, which allow you to divide your screen into multiple different areas. You have your monitor settings where you can change your brightness and picture mode. You also have the application presets where you can apply specific picture mode to specific applications. So if you turn this on, you can change your picture mode here. And you also got some game settings that you can change as well. Now to install it's quite simple. Head over to lg.com. So open any browser, head over to lg.com. On your right here, under support and then under downloads, click on software and firmware. Scroll down. Here you'll need your monitor's model number, which you can find on the back of your monitor. Mine is 34UM68-P. So here it is. Select it. You'll see the monitor on your right as well once you select it. Scroll down and you'll find the application for both Windows and for Mac. I'm running Windows, so click on the download file. This is a zip file. It'll take a while to download. Now once the zip file has finished downloading, we simply are gonna open it, and here you can see the setup file, the XE setup file. Double click on it, it'll extract it and also run the setup file. If you do get a prompt to allow this application to make changes to your device, just select yes. Next we're simply gonna follow the setup, which is quite straightforward. Select next, accept the terms and conditions. Next, install. It'll install the application. Once the application has finished installing, you will need to restart your PC. Once you've installed the application, go ahead and open it. First section you will see is the screen split section, in which you can split your screen in many different ways. You've got the full screen, which is by default 2-way, 3-way, 4-way, 6, 8. Now commonly used ones are going to be the vertical and horizontal 2-screen split. So to select it, just click on it and you'll see two red boxes. Any applications that you have already open, we can simply drag and drop them into the relevant box where we want the application to be positioned. Now depending on the type of screen split that you select from here, you can specify application positions for those screen split. So we have a 2-screen split, 1 and 2, and we can specify which application will go in which box. So let's say select the Internet Explorer here and Microsoft Word, and we can do the same thing for the 3-way. If we go back here we'll see 3 options, and you can specify 3 applications. So every time you open the application, it will be positioned in that specific box. The other option that we have here is the PIP option, which simply brings any application that you've put in that box to the front of any application that you have. So it'll bring it right to the front. So let's select this one here. We've got the box on the top right corner, and we drag and drop that Chrome browser into here. And let's say we open something else. Internet Explorer is in the back, and we've got the Chrome at the front. The next one we have is monitor settings. Here we can change the picture mode, which you can normally access directly from your screen through your screen menu. We can also adjust the brightness and the contrast, and also change the display orientation as well. Next we have the My Application presets, where you can change the picture mode, but not only for the overall display, but also for specific applications. So if you enable this, and let's say for Internet Explorer, we want the picture mode to be different every time Internet Explorer is launched, we can do this. So I can select Cinema here, and every time I select Internet Explorer is launched, the brightness of the screen changes. Lastly, we have the game mode settings, where we can change the response time. We can also enable and disable adaptive sync, Freesync or G-Sync compatibility, and also black stabilizers. We can also adjust the black stabilizers here as well. Next, we have the find mouse pointer with control. If you enable this and then press the control key on your keyboard, it will simply just show you the position of the mouse. Next, we have the run 5.9 mode, where it allows you to view thumbnails of all the active applications, and you can just double click on it and it will launch that application for you. Next, we have here you can access the help section for viewing some tips or anything that I've already been through. And then you've got finally the settings where you can auto start. So if your auto start is on, it just means that every time your computer restarts or is turned on, this application will also launch at the same time as well. Auto update, it'll just automatically update for you, and that's pretty much it. You can access the LG's electronic website homepage from the settings section here as well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you a very good and a safe day. Bye bye.